Let's have our Bible study now. Today is May 8, 2026, a Friday, and feast day of the apparition of Saint Michael the Archangel. Our Bible study for today is day 372. 6:39:38 a.m. and today is 6 Friday. Saint Michael the Archangel. Ora pro nobis. Amen. Numbers chapter 28. Numbers chapter 28. The regular offerings, Sabbath offering, the offering on the first day of the month, the offerings of the festival of unleavened bread, the offerings at the harvest festival. Regular offerings. The Lord commanded Moses to instruct the Israelites to present to God at appointed times the required food offerings that are pleasing to Him. These are the food offerings that are to be presented to the Lord: for the daily burnt offering, 2 one-year-old male lambs without any defects. Offer the first lamb in the morning and the second in the evening, each with a grain offering of 1 kilogram of flour mixed with 1 liter of the best olive oil. This is a daily offering that is completely burnt, which was first offered at Mount Sinai as food offering, a smell pleasing to the Lord. As the wine offering with the first lamb, pour out at the altar 1 liter of wine. In the evening, offer the second lamb in the same way as the morning offering, together with its wine offering. It is also a food offering, a smell pleasing to the Lord. The Sabbath offering. On the Sabbath day, offer 2 one-year-old male lambs without any defects, 2 kilograms of flour mixed with olive oil as a grain offering, and the wine offering. This burnt offering is to be offered every Sabbath in addition to the daily offering with its wine offering. Offer the offering on the first day of the month. Present a burnt offering to the Lord at the beginning of each month: 2 young bulls, 1 ram, 1 7-year-old male lambs, all without any defects, as a grain offering. Offer flour mixed with olive oil with each bull, 3 kilograms of flour with the ram, 2 kilograms, and with each lamb 1 kilogram. These burnt offerings are food offerings, a smell pleasing to the Lord. The proper wine offering is 2 liters of wine with each bull, 1.5 liters with the ram, and 1 liter with each lamb. This is the regulation for the burnt offering for the first day of each month throughout the year. And in addition to the daily burnt offering with its wine offering, offer 1 male goat as a sin offering. The offerings at the festival of unleavened bread. The Passover festival in honor of the Lord is to be held on the 14th day of the first month. On the 15th day, a religious festival begins which lasts 7 days, only during which only bread prepared without yeast is to be eaten. On the first day of the festival, you are to gather for worship, and no work is to be done. On the first day of the festival, you are to gather for worship, and no work is to be done. Offer a burnt offering as a food offering to the Lord, 2 young bulls, 1 ram, and 7-year-old male lambs, all without any defects. Offer the proper grain offering of flour mixed with olive oil, 3 kilograms with each bull, 2 kilograms with the ram, and 1 kilogram with each lamb. Also offer 1 male goat as a sin offering, and in this way perform the ritual of purification for the people. Offer this in addition to the regular morning burnt offering. In the same way, for 7 days, offer to the Lord a food offering, a smell pleasing to Him. Offer this in addition to the daily burnt offering and the wine offering. Meet for worship on the seventh day and do no work. 28-25. The offerings at the Harvest Festival. On the first day of the Harvest Festival, when you present the offering of new corn to the Lord, you are to gather for worship, and no work is to be done. Offer a burnt offering as a smell pleasing to the Lord, 2 young bulls, 1 ram, and 7 1-year-old male lambs, all without any defects. Offer the proper grain offering of flour mixed with olive oil, 3 kilograms with each bull, 2 kilograms with the ram, and 1 kilogram with each lamb. Also offer 1 male goat as a sin offering, and in this way perform the ritual of purification for the people. Offer this and the wine offering in addition to the daily burnt offering and grain offering. of chapter 28, Numbers. The Lord commanded Moses the instructions to Israelites, the record offerings that are pleasing to him at appointed times. The regular offerings would be the daily burnt offering and should be continued in addition to all the offerings for each specified occasion. All kinds of young bull, ram, and lambs, all male, are without any defects. These are for the purification for the people after sin offering. Verse to ponder today. On the first day of the festival, you are to gather for worship, and no work is to be done. Numbers 28, verse 18. And how can I apply it? To honor God with my life, because the sin and purification offerings, all without defect, in this chapter allowed me to see the great significance of the body and blood of Christ for our sin and purification. It's such a great honor for God to be our offering, just for us to be with Him for life and in eternity. Amen.